Imagine a helicopter that flies like a jet, lands like a drone, and replaces one of the most iconic aircraft in US military history. This is not science fiction. This is the MV-75 Valor, and it's about to rewrite the future of battlefield mobility. Developed by Bell Textron, the MV-75 is set to replace the Black Hawk after nearly 50 years of faithful service. This revolutionary tiltrotor aircraft is about to transform the battlefield, combining the best of helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft into a single deadly platform. But what makes the MV-75 so special? And why is the US military betting its future on this one machine? Let's break it down. The MV-75 Valor isn't just another helicopter. It's part of the Army's future vertical lift program, designed to outfly, outfight, and outlast everything that came before. With a top speed of over 280 miles per hour, the MV-75 nearly doubles the cruising speed of the Black Hawk. Its range exceeds 800 nautical miles, making it ideal for long-range missions without needing refueling. And because it's a tiltrotor, it takes off vertically like a helicopter. But once airborne, the rotors tilt forward, and it flies like a turboprop aircraft. This means faster deployment, greater survivability, and the ability to operate from tight spaces without sacrificing speed. Why replace the Black Hawk? Since the late 1970s, the UH-60 Black Hawk has been the backbone of Army aviation. It's tough, versatile, and has served in every major US conflict, but warfare has changed. Threats are faster, the battlefield is more complex, and enemy systems can now detect and engage helicopters from longer distances. The MV-75 answers these challenges with reduced radar signature, advanced digital flight controls, and modular mission systems that can adapt to new tech over time. It's built not just for today, but for the wars of the next 30 years. If you're fascinated by military tech like this, take a moment to subscribe to Chapitres. We bring you deep dives into the world's most advanced aircraft, from next-gen fighters to experimental choppers. Now, back to the Valor, crew, and cockpit evolution. Inside the MV-75, the cockpit is fully digital and networked, designed for easier control, reduced pilot workload, and seamless communication with other units. The aircraft supports two pilots and a crew chief, plus up to 14 fully equipped soldiers in the back. It can also be configured for medical evacuation, cargo transport, or electronic warfare missions. Its open systems architecture means it can be upgraded without a full redesign, a key advantage in today's rapidly evolving tech landscape. Strategic impact. Why does this matter? Because the future battlefield demands speed, flexibility, and survivability. The MV-75 gives commanders the ability to insert forces faster, deeper, and more precisely than ever before. From the Pacific Theater to urban combat zones, it's designed to dominate. And it's not just about hardware, it's about shaping future doctrine for American air power. What's next? As of now, the MV-75 Valor is in the final testing phase before full-scale production. It's already beaten out Sikorsky's Defiant X in the Army's future long-range assault aircraft competition, a major milestone. If all goes to plan, the first operational units will be delivered by 2029. So the next time you see a helicopter or overhead, know this, it might just be the MV-75 Valor, leading the way into a new era of military aviation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the MV-75 Valor and want more content like it, make sure to subscribe to Chapitres and hit the bell icon. We've got more incredible aircraft, secret projects, and next-gen tech coming your way. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.